Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase vitamin B12 levels quickly. First, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to understand your current B12 status. They can perform tests to determine if your levels are low and identify any underlying causes. Based on this assessment, your doctor might recommend immediate steps, such as B12 injections, especially if your deficiency is severe. This personalized approach ensures you receive the most effective treatment. Once you've consulted a professional, focus on dietary changes. Excellent sources of vitamin B12 include animal products like beef, chicken, fish, and eggs. Dairy products such as milk and cheese also provide significant amounts. For those following plant-based diets, fortified foods like breakfast cereals, certain plant milks, and nutritional yeast are essential. Make an effort to include these items in your daily diet to naturally boost your B12 intake. If diet alone isn't enough, supplements can be very effective. Oral vitamin B12 supplements are widely available, often in doses ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 micrograms daily. Sublingual forms, which dissolve under your tongue, can offer improved absorption for some individuals. It's also worth discussing the different forms of B12, such as methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin, with your doctor to determine which is best suited for your needs and absorption capabilities. Beyond diet and supplements, lifestyle factors play a role. Maintaining good digestive health is crucial, as conditions like Crohn's disease or celiac disease can significantly impact B12 absorption. Limiting alcohol intake is also beneficial, as excessive consumption can interfere with nutrient absorption and metabolism. Regular checkups with your doctor will help monitor your progress and adjust your plan as needed. And for a smarter home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.